In this WaveAI review, I'm going to be showing you a 50-in-1 Google Bard AI content generator that's going to allow you to do things like create content, create images, graphics, product names, and more using one dashboard. And make sure you stay to the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades and how you can get a special bundle discount on the entire sales funnel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out WaveAI, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses that you're going to be getting if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of JVZoo after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says it's time to make the best use of artificial intelligence and skyrocket your business growth. World's first 50-in-1 Google Bard Palm 2 powered app suite that does everything. It says AI text, AI keyword to video generator, AI image variation generator, AI graphic editor, AI product name generator, and it lists even more and more and more. AI text to video generator in just 2 minutes. It does all these different things inside of one dashboard. So it also includes the commercial license. You can actually use this to sell different assets as well. You can create high converting marketing content, sales videos, graphics, use the Bard AI chatbot, visual assets, correct grammar mistakes, all these different things that it does and so on in one dashboard. Step 1, you log in. Step 2, you just create your AI content. And they say step 3, use and profit. And as I always say, that's going to depend upon what you're doing in your business. Your profit, it's not like you magically are going to start making money with this, but it is a tool for your business. So if we scroll down here a little bit more, again, you have to do zero manual work. And again, these screenshots, I mean, they're just like examples of kind of what you could potentially make with this, but it's not like you're magically going to start making money with this. Again, I want to make sure that's always clear with any of these things out here. So okay, so what does this do? It has the AI content generator, AI text to video, AI text to image, a chatbot, AI keyword to video generator. That's kind of cool. AI keyword to image generator, all these different things on the front end offer. And I'll let you look at that on your own time once you get to the sales page. If you purchase, you get access to all these different things here for a one-time price. I'm going to go ahead and show you a quick video explain this a little bit more. Then I'm going to come back, show you the backend area, the OTOs, and how you can get a special bundle discount when you click on this little purple button on my review page.
Stop whatever you're doing right now and make sure to have your sounds turned up. In this short video, you'll discover the world's first 50-in-1 Google Bard Palm 2 app suite that enables your need to start, grow, and scale any business in any niche without any technical skills or marketing acumen. Yes, with this first-to-market technology, even newbies can smartly create and sell attention-grabbing marketing content, images, videos, and much, much more for a low one-time price during the launch period. And the best part is, you can do it all without paying exorbitant fees for complicated tools, without paying huge fees monthly to expensive copywriters, without hiring costly video creators, without depending on existing graphic platforms, etc. once and for all. Now, if that got your interest, then you're in for a great surprise today. Presenting WaveAI, world's first 50-in-1 Google Bard Palm 2 app suite that does everything. Creating plagiarism-free marketing content, eye-catchy graphics, converting text to video, text to image, AI chatbot, keyword to video, keyword to image, corrects grammar, makes image variations, writes product names, interviews, summarizes and explains text, topic outlines, sentiment analysis, proofreading, analogy maker, keyword extractor, ad copy and spreadsheet generator in just 2 minutes. Here are the complete tools that you get with WaveAI. 1. AI content generator that creates attention-grabbing, plagiarism-free content for any offer in any niche. 2. AI text-to-video generator that generates unique, eye-catchy videos based on given text. 3. AI text-to-image generator that generates a visually appealing set of images based on a given text. 4. AI chatbot that provides an advanced level of Q&A experience to your website visitors. 5. AI keyword-to-video generator that generates a set of images based on a given keyword and merges them into an exciting video. 6. AI keyword to image generator that generates a set of beautiful images based on a given keyword. Number 7. AI grammar correction that reads a block of text and corrects grammatical mistakes. Number 8. AI image variation generator that generates a set of images visually similar to the image given. 9. AI graphic editor that creates a new image with the help of a given image and a mask along with an instruction to apply the modifications. 10. AI product name generator that generates engaging product names based on a given product concept or idea. 11. AI interview generator that generates interview questions based on a given job position. 12. AI text summarizer that reads a block of text and without the need for any specific instructions, it summarizes the text. 13. AI topic outliner that analyzes the given topic and generates an outline for the specific topic. 14. AI text explainer that reads a block of text and simplifies the text without deviating from the context. 15. AI sentiment analysis that reads a sentence or block of text and draws a conclusion on whether the sentiment is positive, negative, or neutral. 16. AI proofreading that reads a block of text and corrects spelling mistakes. 17. AI analogy maker that reads a block of text and returns an analogy that describes the text. 18. AI keyword extractor that reads a block of text and returns a set of keywords that best describes the text. 19. AI ad copy generator that generates advert copy by analyzing the description of a product. 20. AI spreadsheet generator that generates spreadsheet based on various sorts of data. Take my word, if you're tired of all the bullshit going around and want to have a secured financial future, then WaveAI is the happy ending for your search. You'll agree that it's 100% fair for such a steal deal to last for a limited period. We're confident that this much value has never been offered at such a low price. And if you act now, you'll also receive our limited time commercial license. That means you can use this for your clients and charge them monthly for this top-notch solution. So it's really about using this technology for your business as quickly as possible to profit like never before. Remember, your purchase is always backed by an ironclad 30-day money-back guarantee. So if you're not satisfied, simply ask and get all your money back within 30 days of your purchase. Here's a fair warning. WaveAI will soon be sold for a monthly or yearly subscription after the special launch period ends. If you buy now, you can access it for a one-time only low price today. So you've been warned that this incredible price will disappear as the timer strikes 0. Click on the button below this video to get WaveAI for the lowest price. Good luck, and we'll see you inside.
Okay, we're back. So this is what the backend area is going to look like after you purchase. However, there are multiple upgrades. First one, it says it's going to give you 10 times your profits. You get premium features. You can unlock faster content speed, get pro video creation, and more using this upgrade. It's commercial rights as well. And if we scroll down to this, it looks like this one is 47. The next one here is go unlimited. So if you want to get unlock all features, make everything unlimited, and remove all restrictions, you want to get this one, and this one is $87. Next one is you can unlock a 501 traffic app. So if you want to get traffic with this, you can get this one. And if I can scroll down and show you the price for that one is 47. Then they've got another one here, which is a 5-in-1 marketing kit for using this to get clients and whatnot. That's 67. Next one here is a 3-in-1 marketing agency, and this one is 87 for this one. Next one is you can get resell rights and resell this and keep all the money. And that one is $76. Now, you can go through the sales funnel by clicking like this link, or this link. Or if you click on this purple one on my bonus page, it'll take you over to the bundle. On the bundle page, you get everything. You get all the upgrades. You get everything that I just showed you for a one-time price. And you can get a discount code for $30 off the $197 here. So it's up to you if you want to go through the sales funnel or get the bundle. It's your choice. Okay, so what do I like about WaveAI and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about it, whenever a software does like everything, it's not going to be the best at everything. So if you want like the best AI content creator, or the best AI image maker, probably just want to get a software that just like that's specifically what it does. Just be aware of that. When you get any suite for anything, it's not going to be the best at any of them. What do I like about it? That being said, if you're looking for a tool that you can just kind of have everything all in, and you want to have it for a very low one-time price, this might be something for you. If you want to use it for yourself or charge to actually do it as a service for clients, then check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my WaveAI review. If you want to take a look at it, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out my YouTube channel, and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again in my next video. Thanks.